up, YouTube? It's your girl Kayla Morgan, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been so long since I recorded a video, but I'm sorry, y'all. But the truth is, I've really been so unmotivated to do YouTube. Like, I just been very uninterested. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you not new, welcome back. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe. We on the road to 1K. Thank y'all for 901 subscribers. You know, I've been trying to get to that for the longest, but that's my fault. I haven't been posting. But today is like a vlog. I guess I'm starting my vlog early. I don't know if I'm gonna put this clip in there, but I'm finna go get my hair redone, touched up, different style, all that. Cause, child, I'm not even gonna do that to myself. But that's what I'm finna go do. Tomorrow, I'm going to the sugar factory. We driving for my big, oh Lord, what's in my face? For my big cousin birthday. So the family, we driving to Biloxi to go to the sugar factory and have dinner and stuff. So stay tuned and I'll be back to y'all when I'm gonna go to New Orleans right now to get my hair done. I'm going to run, so I'll be back in a second. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Hair's done. I'm about to go. I forgot I was vlogging for a second. TTYL. What's up, YouTube? We're back in another video. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm doing a mini vlog or whatever. You is not in me.
Y'all, it's my mama's birthday today.
And we came to the sugar factory in Biloxi. We just got here. I didn't record.
We gonna rate it for y'all. We gonna let y'all know this. Yeah, everything here so far. It's cute. Everything is purple, y'all.
Yeah,
purple. From the cars to the building.
Everything. It's freezing out here too, and I got a skirt on. And if, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back when we get inside. Cause she looking at me like I'm stupid.
Yeah. Straight down. On that same first one.
Y'all, we drove out here for nothing. Y'all, let me tell y'all. Y'all see all them stairs back there? Look what I got on. Ooh, I need to crop that out. My feet look good again. My bra sliding down. For real. I'm finna start mugging people. Let me put my mask on. Cause yeah, white man over there looking like he's stupid. Tell me.
Y'all, this casino nice and all, but the lights out. Look how pretty though, y'all. Kayla don't show y'all no good content, but I.
She looks so cute. Yeah, I'm so hungry. We is getting talked about. Hey y'all, we got in. Yes sir, the lights came back on.
Yes, Sirski. Y'all, I swear to God, I'm gonna get so mad because my day's gonna be ruined already. My mom was really mad, but she kind of shook back now. But it's the casino, right? That's the casino, right? But watch this. I'm gonna record when we go. I bet y'all probably thinking like, girl, shut the f***.
Look, Kaylin. Let me see. I know that's what you gonna eat.
Get closer.
I wish I was on the inside and not the outside.
Put you with that one. Look, the cheeseburgers.
No, cheeseburger right here. I should have. YouTube. Oh, it look nasty right there. Look at theirs. My stuff is bubbling. I'm gonna give y'all a review and see the first sip. It's good. It's good. I'm gonna eat some candy though. that ice? Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna get y'all another straw for both of y'all.
Oh. What's my milkshake at? Ooh, crushing.
I'm gonna give them another straw so they both can drink.
Y'all, it's so good, bro. Oh, I should have.
Take a sip here. Take a sip.
Where my candy? Look at Journey. Y'all, it's so good. I swear, man.
I got some chicken.
Man, this is so good, bro.
No. This one roll.
Crush 'em. Ice candy and all.
It tastes like.
Let me taste it. Taste it. Go ahead. Go live, I'm vlogging. Peer to the T, to the T.
Birthday girl.
Yo,
Birthday girl.
it's them for me.
Hey.
Quitter.
Come on, birthday. You better blow that motherfucking horn, baby. You blow that motherfucking horn.
What you said, that ain't?
Oh, I left my fucking cake. That motherfucker ain't getting my motherfucking cake. Oh, hell no.
Sure, we going inside. It's cold.
Oh, cause you supposed to go out here. Hold this first. Let me go get the car and bring it up to the curb for the birthday girl. We going to the car.
Yeah.
Give her her phone.
It's in here?
Who? I'm gonna come back and get your birthday girl. You just stand right there.
No, Caitlin, it ain't in here.
Bitch, we gonna call the watch.
I still want my goddamn phone.
Oh, AT&T don't know how to locate your phone. Come on, birthday girl. for the birthday girl.
Got that booty. That booty. That big old booty. Man, bro, swear to God.
Y'all, it's 1 something in the morning. I ain't in my vlog like I was supposed to. I was really giving y'all I'm cold. I was really giving y'all a BS vlog. Like, I did not keep vlogging y'all, but Sugar Factory, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Food was good. Milkshakes, bomb. Pressure, broke the scale. Drinks was good, but I really messed with the milkshake. Food was good. It was hot. It wasn't cold. It wasn't nasty at all. It's worth the money. That's all I'm gonna say. It was so good. I didn't record that much with y'all, but I got a little bit, I think. So I don't know when this vlog dropping, but it's dropping like tomorrow, Monday. Today is Saturday. But it's like 1 something in the morning. I'm tired. Just ran up them stairs. I'm gonna get in the shower and go to sleep. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what videos y'all want to see. I'm back. More videos coming. Let's go on the road to 1K and then 100K and then a meal. Stop playing. Bye.